Hi guys! Welcome back again to our channel, the Cool Cupcake Sisters! Today we are at Alameda Beach. This beach is very, very close to our house. We like this beach and we make sure to always come here often. In today's video, I will be showing you a lot of the cool birds that live here on Alameda Beach while I take a morning stroll with my family. So, be sure to stay tuned so you see all of the birds and watch it until the end. Okay guys, look! Today we were so lucky to find a group of birds huddling together so that they stay warm, like penguins. This is really rare. I've seen a lot of birds before on Alameda Beach, but I've never seen that many together, so close to each other. This is really an extraordinary thing. But the thing is, we don't really know what bird these are, so we're going to try to find out. Because if we can find out what bird this is, this will be really interesting. And we just can't get close enough to them to actually observe them closely because we don't want to disturb them or make them fly away, obviously. Even when we zoom in on our camera, we still can't really identify what the type of bird is. So we're going to try our best. This is a shortened list of all of the types of birds they have identified and found here on Alameda Beach. Let's see if we can find a bird that looks like the ones that were huddling together on the beach. After we looked around on the list, it seems like this might be the bird that we saw. Its beak isn't that long, like the ones that we saw on the beach, and the color is pretty similar. So we're gonna guess that that's the one that we saw. we found here in the water. These birds are so pretty. They're mostly all black, and then they have pretty white beaks. I love them. And guys, look at this other bird we saw. It seems very similar to the other birds we saw huddling on the shore, but its beak is longer. And here's some information, guys. Alameda is an island, so to go to Alameda or get out of Alameda, we need to cross a bridge. And guys, that's the Bay Bridge over there. It leads us right into San Francisco. It's only about a 10-minute drive from Alameda to get there, so it's very easy to go whenever we want. Okay guys, this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and bye-bye!